Hello and welcome. I'm Mrs. Sitz from the Field Library Children's Room, and today Froggy and I are going to be making a unicorn collage. Don't forget to ask a grown-up before you begin this project. So now let's get started. Step 1, gather your materials. Here's what you'll need: a newspaper, a magazine, yarn or ribbon, a pencil and markers or crayons, a piece of construction paper or cardboard to glue your unicorn onto, a small scrap of white paper, glue or a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. Ask for help if you need it. Now comes the fun part. Step 2, draw a unicorn head from your newspaper. Draw with a pencil first so you can erase if you want to. Then draw over it with a marker. Full disclosure, I used a unicorn template that I printed out from online. I'm going to go over it with my marker. Step 3, cut out your unicorn head. As you can see, I've done a profile. Step 4, cut out a horn, ears, and rectangular strips. You can use newspaper or magazine. The strips will create the unicorn's mane. Color them if you want. These are my ears. This is my unicorn's horn. And now I'm going to take these strips and I'm going to cut them all in half. Step 5, use your scrap paper and cut out a small white circle for an eye. Step 6, glue the pieces of the unicorn onto your paper or cardboard. Okay, so we have our horn, our ears, our eye, and our mane, which I think I'm going to trim. There we go. Step 7, cut short pieces of yarn to add to your unicorn's mane. Layer the yarn over the strips. Okay, and now I'm going to glue them down. And here is my unicorn. I made a smaller circle using the paper that I used for the unicorn's mane underneath. I made a circle out of that. And I am going to trim the mane just a little bit. And there we go. That is our unicorn. Thanks for joining me. I hope you had fun. Don't forget step 8, admire your unicorn. Awesome job, everyone. Come back soon and check out more cool craft videos from the Field Library. Bye.